everyone, my name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to make a quick and easy DIY confetti popper using supplies you already have at home. This is probably one of the easiest DIYs you could do. You'll need tape, scissor, balloons, toilet paper roll or wrapping paper roll, and scrap papers. First, let's reuse our Christmas wrapping paper roll. Cut to your desired length. Second, cut out the tip of the balloon. The key here is to use a bigger size balloon so that it's easier to pull your confetti popper. Third, fit it over the roll and stretch out the balloon where you will be pulling it later. Next, wrap your red paper and tuck your balloon over it. I chose red to usher in good luck in the new year. Finally, make confettis out of the scraps from the red paper and the balloon. Drop them into your popper. Voila! Here is your first quick easy DIY confetti popper or cannon. How festive is this? And it was so easy to do. Here is another DIY cannon popper using toilet paper roll and scrap wrapping paper. Confetti is traditionally used to bestow prosperity. Did you know that more than 1 ton of confetti is usually dropped in New York City's Times Square New Year celebration? Voila, here is your DIY confetti cannon. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big like, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on how to make a gift box out of toilet paper roll. You'll be glad that you did. Happy New Year! Cheers to a year of endless possibilities. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye and take care.